Hey guys, coming to you from SEMA 2023. Let's take a look at Wedge Clamp. Wedge Clamp works off of a rail system either in your concrete floor on new construction or can be bolted on top of your existing floor. We've got the full frame set up here for any full frame vehicles. We're able to achieve any angle utilizing the same base as we'll use for our chainless anchor system on our unibody system. 10-ton pulling capability on our easy roller tower and 15-ton pulling on our monocoque tower. For lighter jobs, we have the easy tie-down system, which you see on the left here. And then we've just launched this new product for SUVs. Gives us a little more height on the sill clamp for our same easy tie-down system. Easy tie-down is light pulls. Vehicle sits flat on the floor with a loaded suspension. Heavier job, you'll jack up, get it up in the air, drop it into chainless anchoring system. For more information, call 1-800-CELETTE.